to our YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Moves, where we break down Salsa and Bachata Moves. My name is Alexandros, with Miss Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus. I hope you're healthy, I hope you're home safe, and your family as well. Now, since you're home, pick up your partner if you have one. If you don't, imagine you have one and practice this move. This is an advanced move and the lesson, this video. If you like to see it with music, so you can see how it works with music, I always have a link in the info cards, and it's always the first link in the description. Let's get started slowly, because this one is a biggie. It has some hard techniques, but I'm sure we can learn them if we practice enough. Let's go. Okay, first we start off with a basic double turn. So you prepare by 3, 1, 2 on the opposite side, and you go with your left into a double turn. Straight away you change to the right hand, and don't let the lady just go straight back on a basic. Twist her a little bit. 1, 2, and 3. So she does an overextended enchufle, as I like to call it. Push forward 5, hands together, sandwich them. 6, 7. We throw the hands up. This is a very fun technique, but when I see guys just touching with the fingers for the lady to do it by itself, it's nice as well, but look at this variation. 1, 2, I grab the hip bone, I lead her, and I help her around, and I stop her. Then I leave her to go back, I grab her on 5, and I also help her on 6 and 7. It looks like you have a more active part as well. Then ask for both hands. If the lady has them up here, you will just go like this, and she will drop them on them. 1, 2, 3, the yo-yo. 5, 6, 7. Now, in the video with the music, we were very close to the mirror, so I'll do it a little bit towards here. The lady naturally goes forward. 1, 2, bring her back. Let go of the right hand and bring her back into a double turn. You can do as many as you like. If you like to make it easy, just make 1. So let's go further down just for this move. 1, 2, 3. Here's the yo-yo. Here's the forward. Here's the back. Bring the lady around and around. Now, on 1, we wear like this. Make sure you have your hand like you're holding a tray. I'll come more here and more here. Okay, so you're going 1, 2, by 3, exchange hand. This is a little bit of a stretch. 5, twist your shoulder. 6, you're going to use your wrist to throw it up. It's going to pass over your head and grab it in front with the same hand on 7. A little bit hard, but we'll do it practice. Rewind it, guys. I don't want to take the time to show it over and over because I want to keep the video small. 1, 2, 3, 5, throw and catch. Change left, right, throw. So you ask for the other hand and double roll the lady in. I overdid it a little bit. So when you do this, if you don't want the lady to hit on you like it happened to me now, don't stay here. You have to keep moving as well. Da 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 da. Absorb the lady. Grab her other hand and move around. 1, 2, 3 into a double turn 7. Okay? Now let's do it from the beginning up to here slowly. 1, 2. Come on, get up, get up. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. The double. 5, 6. Exchange hands. 1, 2. Next to you. Forward into a double hand sandwich together. Throw 2, 3, lead the lady around. 1, 2, 3, lead the lady around. Ask for the hands politely. Crossbody to a yo-yo. 1, 2, 3, bring the lady into spins. Bring the hand over. 3, down, throw and catch. Switch, switch and throw. Bring the lady back. Walk around in circle and double turn ole. Next part, we exchange hands very fast, guys. 1, 2, 3. So we're here by 3. Let me do that one more time. When we exchange hands, we bring the right hand in and the left hand over the head, and we do a very nice Cuban combination hand hold. But we use it, we let go of the left on 5 by leaning forward. 6 up, 7 another one, but grab behind the back, like so. From here, you go 1, 2, 3. You will lower the hand down. I know you can't see it from this angle. 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead with a half a turn. 6, 7. Now, on 3, guys, you have to go down on your right knee. I call this the marriage proposal. I wonder why. 1, 2, 3. And you stop the lady here. You're going to give her a push this way to turn, and let go of the right and let it slide over. At the same time, the left hand will come over the head, and I know it's a lot of things, you're going to switch knees. Rakata, takata. Okay? Rewind that part, and we will do it, of course, one more time slowly. And now as I get up, I throw these hands so it gets out of my way. If you saw that on the music video, you're like, how did she know to throw the hand? She didn't. I did the work there. Okay, I'll do it one more time, a little bit slow. And I said this is not going to be a long video, and I'm doing it a long video. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Marriage proposal. 5, 6. Throw. Voila. And then a crossbody lead. Left hand up like you're holding a tray. 5, 6. Switch. Now throw both hands. It doesn't matter which one comes on top of the lady because it really works. We're going to execute the same crossbody movement as before. 1, turn to your right and grab both hands. 5, 6, 7. Now the lady has no idea, but you will turn her on an unconventional timing on the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 forward, let go of the right, turn the lady. As she comes, turn to the left. And 3 over the head. Then pass the lady. 5, 6, 7. I don't know if that made a lot of sense, but I'll do it one more time. I think from the crossbody lead, wearing the hand over. 1, 2, 3. It's not always as easy on video, guys, I know. If you like to help us on Patreon, we can get camera point of views. And a 1, 2, 3. And a 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, 3. And a 5, 6, Okay, I really want a big tripod that can hold the camera upside down so you can see on top of some things, and a microphone so we have no background noise. Now with the COVID, and we have a national holiday as well, the Easter time. Happy Easter, by the way, to all our Greeks. And the roads are empty, so there wasn't much background noise, thank God. Thank you for watching, everybody. Stay healthy. If you'd like to support us, there's also a donation link for PayPal. It's nice, it's safe. Any amount is always welcome. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video.